A group of 8 Grad Square employees, Kushal, Bibin, Monica, Diana, Ajay, Prabhakar, Varun and Sanjukta are sitting in 2 rows facing each other. They are writing different examinations among NMAT, MyCat, GMAT, SNAP, GRE, IPMAT, CAT and XAT. The employees writing NMAT, MyCat, SNAP and GMAT are facing south, whereas those writing CAT, XAT, IPMAT and GRE are facing south. Now see, one thing is very clear that we know that who are facing north and who are facing south, not the people, but the people, the examinations that they are writing, which means I can now put this into this order here. Say NMAT, MyCat, SNAP and GMAT, they are facing south. CAT, XAT, IPMAT and GRE are facing north, and we can now mark right here and left here for the person facing downward, and for the people facing upward, it will be right here and left here. Now let's start with the statements. And if you look at these statements, one of the statements that I'll pick up to start off this question is this one, because it says those writing SNAP and XAT are sitting opposite to each other at an end. If I do that, these are the two possibilities which exist. The other statement which actually gives me exactly where SNAP and XAT is the last but one statement which says Bibin is writing CAT and is sitting to the immediate left of Prabhakar, who is writing XAT. Now, if Prabhakar is writing XAT and there is somebody sitting to the left of him, then definitely XAT cannot come here because this is the leftmost, isn't it? So the only possibility is this. You have XAT here and SNAP here now fixed. We know XAT is written by Prabhakar, and we also know Bibin is writing CAT and is sitting to the immediate left of Prabhakar. So CAT is here and Bibin is here. Neither Varun nor Ajay is sitting at an end. And here if you see, it says the person writing GMAT is sitting opposite to the person who is to the immediate right of Varun, the person writing IPMAT. That means Varun is writing IPMAT and Varun is not sitting at an end. That means what? That means IPMAT will come here and this will be Varun. That means this last one will be GRE. Kushal is writing NMAT and sitting opposite to the person writing GRE. So that means now Kushal is here and he is writing the NMAT exam. Either Sanjukta or Kushal is writing GMAT. Now we know it's not Kushal who is writing the GMAT because Kushal is already writing NMAT. So that means Sanjukta is writing the GMAT examination. And it also says the person writing GMAT is sitting opposite to the person who is to the immediate right of Varun, the person writing IPMAT. Immediate right of Varun is whom? Bibin, who is writing the CAT exam. So the person writing GMAT is going to sit opposite to that person. So you will have GMAT and CAT opposite to each other. And we now know that GMAT is being written by Sanjukta. Neither Monica nor Ajay is writing SNAP exam. So the only other 3 people left is Ajay, Monica and Diana. So we know neither Monica nor Ajay is writing SNAP exam. So SNAP exam is definitely now Diana. Neither Varun nor Ajay sits at an end that we have seen already before. So that means this will be now Ajay and this will be Monica. And the only other exam which is left out is MyCat. So Ajay will be writing the MyCat. That solves the question. Which of the following are definitely true? Prabhakar is writing XAT and sitting at the extreme right hand. That's true. Sanjukta is writing GMAT and sitting opposite to the person writing CAT. That's also true. Diana is writing SNAP and sitting to the immediate left of Sanjukta. That's also true. So A, B and C are true. Who among the following is writing the SNAP examination? Diana, that's very clear. Varun interchanges his place with Kushal, then who is sitting to the immediate left of Varun? Who is sitting to the immediate left of Varun? It's the person writing MyCat, who's Ajay. Who is sitting opposite to the person writing MyCat? That's Varun. That solves the question.